Well, this can't make the chosen one very happy. On September the 9th, a U.S. judge said that congressional Republicans could proceed with parts of a lawsuit that alleges executive overreach by President Barack Hussein Obama's administration in implementing his signature health care law. You know, the Affordable Care Act. U.S. District Judge Rosemary Collyer, appointed by former President George W. Bush, a Republican, said the House of Representatives has standings to pursue claims that the Secretaries of Health and Human Services and the Treasury violated the Constitution by spending funds Congress did not appropriate. Mm-hmm. At the same time, Collyer determined they could not pursue claims that the Treasury Secretary improperly amended the health care law, as those concerned only the implementation of a statute and not adherence to any congressional requirements. Collyer did not rule on the merit of the claims, only on the administration's motion to dismiss the lawsuit on the issue of standing, a requirement in U.S. law whereby plaintiffs have to show they have been directly harmed. That's easy enough to do. On that issue, quote, the constitutional trespass alleged in this case would inflict a concrete particular harm upon the House, for which it has standing to seek redress in this court, Collyer wrote in her opinion. Both sides will now proceed to argue on the merits of the claim. House Republicans filed a lawsuit in November saying administration officials overreached in authorizing Treasury payments to healthcare insurers and delaying the law's employer mandate. The 210 Affordable Care Act, the Democratic president's biggest domestic policy achievement, was bolstered by the Supreme Court's decision in June that upheld federal tax subsidies that helped millions of Americans afford coverage. The case is United States House of Representatives versus Burwell et al. U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia, number 14, 1967. I'll attach the link of the article, which was on Raw's Story. This is actually very good news for the Republicans. Let's see what they do with it. You know, what's really amazing is that they call it the Affordable Care Act, and nobody can afford it. Wait till the 216 price increases kick in. Between 10 to 40% in premiums alone. The Affordable Care Act. I think they picked that name to rub it in our noses. Barack Hussein Obama, his flagship accomplishment, will go down in history as an albatross. You think not? Well, you're entitled to think what you like. The good news is that U.S. District Judge Rosemary Collyer agreed that the Republicans do indeed have standing, and the case is going forward. Let's see what the chosen one does next. You know what I think, don't you?